Hello friends, welcome. Now in this video I'm going to display the login and register route on the Quest layout if we are not logged in, fix the community frontend show page and add show link to the communities table and then push to the GitHub. Okay, so first let's add the login and register route on the Quest layout inside the resources, JS, layouts, Quest layout, and here when we have the drop down, first if I navigate now in our /r/VueJS, for example, we have an error trying to get a name, cannot read properties of null, reading name. So we're going to try to get the name on the user, but we are not logged in. So if I come here and trying to get the username, but we are not logged in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say in the breeze drop down here, display this if we are logged in. So we can say if $page .props.auth check. If I save and come here, now we no longer see that error, but I want to display the login and register page if we are not logged in here. So for that, if I go in the pages, welcome, and here we have the login and register route. So let's copy this. And here we have the if. I'm going to paste after the if, and here we have the VLs, the login, and also let's remove this if can register and paste that in. Now if I save, we have the login and register page. Go to the login page, login as test user, and now we have this one. Okay, good. So let's come here and check as done. Now fix the community frontend show page. If I navigate in the /r/Laravel, we don't have the Laravel community, but we are trying to get the post on that community, which is null. So instead of something like this, we can make here community where slug, $slug, and first or fail, and it's going to return 404 if not find that community. So let's open the community controller, in the front end, and here say first or fail, save, refresh, and now we have 404 not found. And if I say Laravel updated, now we have all the okay. Now we fix this one, so mark as done. Now let's add show link to the communities table. Let's go inside the resources, communities index, and here when we have the name, so let's go in the communities. I'm going to add the link here and navigate to this community and display all the posts this community has. Add a link here to the name. Instead of just saying like this, if I go down, we have a link. So let's add a link in the community name. Here, I'm going to cut and say link and shref, which is going to go inside the route. Sorry, not like this, but road. And if I open the web roads, what we have, name it front-end communities show, copy and paste it here. And we need the community.slug here. And now here we need to say community.name, like this. If I save and come here, refresh, why we don't see that? Oh, link, like this. My mistake. Now we have the link. Just let's add some classes here. So class with text blue 500 on hover is going to be blue. Text blue 700. And let's say font semi-bold and save it. Okay. Now if I click here, we navigate to this and we can go and edit posts and so on. Okay, and now let's push to the GitHub for the, and I'm going to do from here. So let's open the terminal and say git add, git push. And what we have done, we added add login and register route to guest layout. Okay, and git push. Oh, git commit, sorry. My friends, so instead of git push, we need to say git commit here. Git commit and now git push. Okay friends, that's it about this video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one.